Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today another recipe in our series of healthy breakfast recipes, and we are going to make brown rice dosa. Brown rice is very healthy since it is a whole grain and it has got the B vitamins also, low glycemic index, has got folic acid, so good for all. So again here I am using 3 measures of brown rice and 1 measure of urad dal, whichever cup you take, 3 of brown rice and 1 of urad dal. Wash them thoroughly, soak them separately for 3 hours, then grind them. I ground them in my mixie jar only, grind them separately to a fine paste. Mix the urad dal paste and the brown rice paste together. The batter is ground and add salt, make it a batter, allow it to ferment for minimum 8 hours. And then we are ready to make the dosas. Those of you who have seen my earlier video on brown rice idli, the proportion is the same, the method is the same, the batter is the same. So if you have batter remaining out of the brown rice idli, you can use the same batter for making the dosa too. Here I have kept a tawa for heating. See the consistency of the batter. Now take a ladle of batter, pour it and spread it all around like this. Reduce the flame to medium, then pour some oil all around the dosa and allow it to cook. The lower side is nice and browned. Just carefully remove it from the edges like this, and then you can flip it over. Again just a few drops. Lovely golden crispy dosa. Take another dosa. Many of you are very busy nowadays, working from home. You don't have much time. So it's a good idea to grind this batter and keep it with you. You can use it for idli and dosa for 2 or 3 days in the week. It makes your life easier. Our dosa is ready. Next I will show you a nice tasty chana dal chutney to go with this. For making this chutney I am using chana dal, some curry leaves, freshly grated coconut, dry red chilies and a piece of tamarind. So first you have to heat a pan. I have taken a spoon of oil in the pan. Now we will add the chana dal to it and fry it till it is a reddish color. I have taken half a cup of chana dal. To this we will add these 3 dry red chilies and fry that also along with the chana dal. Add a little bit of asafoetida, that is hing. The dal has been fried to a light reddish color. Now I am going to add about 2 tablespoons of curry leaves to this. Curry leaves are actually nature's gift to us. It has got a lot of health benefits. Separately, I will tell you in another video one day exclusively about curry leaves. You can just go on and on about the benefits of curry leaves. Good for people with high cholesterol, good for diabetics. It's good to improve your digestion, good for your hair. And now I am adding this fresh grated coconut. This is optional. If you have, you add. If you don't have also, don't worry. You can just proceed with the recipe without the coconut too. Once you add the coconut, don't need to fry for too long. Just for another minute or so till everything gets mixed well together and switch it off. This piece of tamarind I had forgotten. Now I can add it now also. It doesn't need to fry too much. Just mix it all together. When cool, we'll blend it into a chutney in a chutney jar. We'll add some salt to this and adding a little water, we'll blend it into a chutney. The chutney is ground and ready. We'll just do some tempering. Heat a bit of oil, add some mustard seeds and urad dal. Just 1/4 teaspoon of each will do. Pour it over the chutney. So our dosa and chutney are ready to be served. Of course, I have also given some of this idli mulaga podi, or the gunpowder as it is called. The recipe for this, you will find the link in the description box. So do definitely try out this recipe. You can keep this batter in the fridge for 4 to 5 days and make both idlis and dosas with it. See you soon again in another interesting healthy breakfast recipe video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and do tap the bell icon for notification about my latest updates. Thank you.